What's up mga kapams? Nagbabalik na naman tayo ating channel. Welcome to Pams, kay Pams TV. Alright, so ayun nga. So, may panagbago tayo. Reaction naman, trailer 2 ng Avengers Doomsday 2. So, ayun na nga. At nilabas na nga yung trailer 2 doon sa mismong Disney 23 sa US. So, napakagandang itong panoorin to. So, wala na patumpik na. So, panoorin natin to. Let's go!
Victor was always the smartest guy in every room. He used to be different. He used to be kind, he used to be caring. And then, everything he loved was taken from him. I knew he was lost. But I did not realize that he was broken. Victor, did you do this? All of you have used, stolen lives. Now you must give them back. Answer me, Victor! Did you do this? I swear you will beg for hell long before I grant it. Hell answers to me. For I am Doom.
Guys, ganda. Lapit na to guys. December 18. Birthday ko pa naman. Totoo, birthday ko yun. December 18. Ganda, oh. Ilang oras. 8 months na lang, oh. Oh, shit. So, sobrang ganda guys. So, nakaka-excited. So, sa unang trailer at saka itong pangalawan to, which is pareho lang ng pala which is yung ibang shot talaga, which is winide talaga at minsan zoom nila para hindi makita yung mga ibang details na makikita natin sa trailer, diba? So, ayun na nga. So, may bagong trailer doon at doon kinalaban ni Doom si Thor at tumasik si Thor, diba? Bagong bago yun. So, ayun na nga. So, abang-abang na lang na tayo guys. So, napakaangas to at balikan na lang natin sa ating part 3 ng Avengers Doomsday trailer. Reaction ulit. 3. Hintay na lang tayo. So, ayun na nga. So, thank you guys at sana subscribe na lang at like, comment, share na lang po anong thoughts nyo about sa Avengers Doomsday. So, let's go!